day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to remove your Gmail address from unwanted websites. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just have my Gmail account. I have logged in with my Gmail account over here. So just hit the button on the Gmail account and you will find your Google account over here. So just hit the button your Google account. It will direct you into a Google account homepage, personal info, data privacy, security, everything. So just go to security options. Once you click security options, settings and recommended to help to keep your account secure. So just scroll down, you will have a different types of options over here. So you can identify your how you sign in with your Gmail and where your files will be displayed. Your connectivity to the third-party apps and services will be there. So you just click here, it will direct you into a third-party apps and services where you logged in with your things. There is 10 total apps and services I have logged in with without my knowledge, or if I given some sign-in options over here, so it will be displayed over here. So as you see here, so if I want to delete or remove or see the activities from the third-party application or unwanted website application, so just click here. For that, it will show you keep tracking your connection with Gamma, and you can see your profile and see the details according to your details. So when you're logged in and what is the app, everything will be there. So if you want to remove, so stop using sign in with Google, so that unwanted websites if you are seeing means you can identify here. So you can delete the all connectivity with the Gamma. So just click here to delete all confirmations, so that the Gamma lines will be deleted over here. So similarly, I can able to see what are the third-party applications will be there. So I can able to see all the connections, and I can see the flux and whatever things I don't want, I just click here to delete according to the details, so that I can see that and I can delete all connections. So you can delete access you have given to the Creative Studios on Google. So similarly, I can able to delete or stop the permission from a third-party apps or services. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and secure your Gmail account. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.